Number 1. 1981 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,000. It has 125,000 miles on it and comes equipped with an automatic transmission paired to a 350 engine and a 700 R4 setup. The truck is finished in a bright orange exterior and, despite being a base model, it was originally optioned with factory air conditioning, though the system is not currently working. It features both power steering and power brakes, making it easy to drive. The suspension has been lowered 3 inches in the front and 5 inches in the rear, giving it a more aggressive stance, while still maintaining its ability to drive, stop, and steer properly. For an additional cost, the truck can also come with several brand new performance and style upgrades, including a set of staggered 20/20 seconds US Mags Rambler wheels still in the box, paired with new Lexani tires. Also available are a CPP drop spindle and spring kit, a bolt-in C-notch, and a full set of new Beltex shocks for all 4 corners, offering plenty of potential for further customization. Number 2. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000. It has 198,000 miles and is powered by a 5.7L 350 V8 with an automatic 4x4 transmission. Finished in green with a gray interior, it comes equipped with power locks, power windows, cruise control, air conditioning, and a sliding rear window. The truck features a matching bed cap with lights, a rhino-lined bed with a rubber mat, and a complete towing package with a trailer brake control. Upgrades include Moto metal rims with Toyo mud tires, headers, dual exhaust, an upgraded stereo with subwoofer, a Viper alarm with remote start, aftermarket headlights, tinted windows, and rain guards. It also has a bull bar with LED light bar, rear LED spots, and newer front and rear brakes. Well maintained and highly equipped, this Sierra blends utility with modern upgrades. Number 3. 1998 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000. This truck comes equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine and an automatic transmission, showing 118,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in green with a brown interior, it runs on gasoline and includes a fully functional plow. For a 27-year-old truck, the body is in pretty clean condition, and the underside remains solid. It does have a few minor issues: a small exhaust leak, an ABS light that's on, and a passenger side window that won't move due to a broken bracket. Despite these, the truck just passed inspection on August 27, 25, proving its reliability. While it's not a show truck, it is a dependable and ready-to-work pickup with a clean title in hand. If it were in flawless condition, the asking price would certainly be higher. Hit that like button if classic trucks make your heart race. Want to help us keep these legends on the road? Drop a super thanks, every bit counts. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for more badass builds and barn finds. Number 4. 1981 Toyota pickup, price $9,000, finished in brown with a black interior and powered by gasoline. Equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive, it has remained rust-free and retains its original California blue license plates. The truck has a strong family history, having been purchased new in May of 1981 at Carson Toyota and passed down from one family member to another. Unlike many of its kind, it was never put to work in gardening or heavy-duty use, spending most of its life carefully garaged. Recent maintenance ensures it remains in excellent running condition, with a new fuel pump and filter, a new clutch, a refurbished original radiator with a new core, along with a fresh water pump and radiator hoses. Number 5. 1976 Datsun 620, price $7,000. This truck is equipped with a manual transmission, finished in a brown exterior with a black interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck runs, drives, turns, and stops as it should, and has been used mainly for short local trips without any issues. The previous owner invested a significant amount of time restoring and maintaining it, addressing important components such as the brakes, water pump, and weather seals. A bed liner and seat cover were also added for practicality, while the paint was refreshed to give it a clean look. Although the original color is unknown, the current white finish suits the truck very well. Number 6. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado, price $9,500. It shows plenty of potential for restoration. Finished in a brown and tan color scheme, the truck does require some work, but its engine runs, offering a solid starting point for anyone interested in taking on a project. Having spent its life on the East Coast, it does come with some rust issues, but it also benefits from a rebuilt engine, though the mileage on the motor is unknown. Included with the truck are a new dash cluster panel and fresh weather stripping, both of which have not yet been installed. Overall, this Silverado is an excellent opportunity for someone looking to bring an iconic Chevy back to life. Number 7. 1973 Chevrolet 2500, price $5,000. It has traveled 98,000 miles and is powered by a small block Chevy with headers. It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline, and carries the timeless combination of a blue exterior paired with a gray interior. The truck is also equipped with air conditioning, though the system is currently inoperative. While it does have a starter issue, it will still start and drive, making it a usable project truck that can be enjoyed as is or taken to the next level with a little attention. Inside, the cabin presents very well, with a surprisingly nice interior that reflects good care over the years. On the outside, some rust spots are visible, but they don't take away from the overall character of this vintage Chevrolet. With its long bed for practicality, strong small block V8 foundation, and classic 1970s styling, this Chevy 2500 remains a solid example of a dependable workhorse with plenty of potential. Number 8. 1981 Ford F100, price $6,000, shows 117,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission. Finished in off-white with a brown interior, it is powered by Ford's dependable 300 cubic inch inline-six engine and runs and drives well. The truck features a single cab layout, and the current owner purchased it from the original owner just last year. Since then, the transmission has been serviced, and the air conditioning system has been repaired to blow cold. The interior has been stripped and treated with rust seal primer, preparing it for finishing work, while the body remains straight and solid. Additional highlights include a clean title in the owner's name with no complications, brand new tires, a new battery, and a set of extra parts that come with the truck. Number 9. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,300. The truck is finished in a timeless gold exterior with a tan interior, giving it a clean and authentic look from the era. It shows 165,000 miles on the odometer, but under the hood it has been upgraded with a rebuilt 350 V8 engine that has only 25,000 miles of use. Paired with an automatic transmission, this 2WD pickup delivers smooth shifting and strong, reliable power. Running on gasoline, the truck starts easily and drives just as it should. It rides on a good set of tires, making it ready for both daily driving and weekend cruising. An extra posy rear end also comes with it, adding value and versatility for those who may want to enhance performance further. Number 10. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $3,999, well-maintained truck with 211,000 miles, featuring a 4.3L Vortec V6, automatic transmission, and 2WD. Its green exterior and tan interior complement its clean, rust-free frame, with only minor surface rust where the factory coating has worn. The engine runs exceptionally well, and the transmission shifts firmly. Recent updates within the last 500 miles include a new water pump, radiator, belts, hoses, thermostat, coolant flush, oil change, shift cable, new carpet, dash cover, reupholstered headliner, and updated door and B-pillar speakers. It also has factory door speakers and an aftermarket radio. The truck has a few issues. The AC doesn't work, brakes have a slight shimmy, and there are some dents and paint damage.